What if I told you that Tesla just turned the Model 3 into something far more futuristic? Sharper, faster, smarter, and more premium than ever before. This is the 2026 Tesla Model 3. And from these images alone, it's clear Tesla didn't hold back. Stay until the end, because there's one unexpected upgrade inside the cabin that changes everything. Right away, the 2026 Model 3 looks nothing like the Model 3 you're used to. The front fascia is sharper, more aggressive, and far more futuristic, almost like a stepping stone toward Tesla's 2030 design language. The headlights are now ultra-slim LEDs with a continuous signature line that stretches across the front. That simple element alone makes the car look expensive, modern, and unmistakably Tesla, even at night. The grille-less front has been redesigned into a clean, aerodynamic shield. Everything looks smooth, sculpted, and laser-precise. But the biggest reason Tesla redesigned this front end isn't just for looks, and I'll explain that in a moment. From the side, the new Model 3 takes a big leap forward. Sharper lines, more muscular fenders, and a coupe-like roofline give it a sporty, fastback silhouette. The flush door handles, the new wheel design, and the cleaner side panels push the Model 3 closer toward a premium electric Grand Tourer. The proportions look lower and wider, giving it a confident stance on the road. This is where Tesla really wants to position the Model 3, not just as an affordable EV, but as a design icon that competes with premium European sedans. But what Tesla changed at the rear might be the most surprising part of this 2026 redesign. Tesla finally listened. The 2026 Model 3 now features a full-width LED light bar that runs across the trunk, giving it a high-tech and upscale aesthetic. The Tesla lettering replaces the old emblem, giving the rear a clean, luxury feel, as if it's borrowed from a futuristic concept car. The bumper is more sculpted, the diffuser is sharper, and the whole appearance feels more mature and dramatic. This rear design completely changes the personality of the Model 3. It looks wider, lower, and more planted, exactly what buyers in 2026 want. Now this is where Tesla drops the bombshell. The interior is radically simplified, yet dramatically more advanced. Gone is the old single touchscreen layout. The 2026 Model 3 now features a full-width digital display that spans across the entire dashboard, blending navigation, vehicle data, media controls, and driver information into one seamless interface. The futuristic driver display shows real-time autopilot visuals, navigation arrows floating above the road, and interactive warnings, all presented in a holographic-style interface that feels straight out of a sci-fi movie. The steering wheel design is cleaner. The seats are more premium with soft-touch materials and red accent stitching, and ambient lighting wraps around the cabin, giving the whole interior a warm, futuristic vibe. But that's not even the most impressive part. The secret lies in how Tesla uses this new display system to enhance Autopilot. Tesla's software now integrates deeper into the car's visual interface. The 2026 Model 3 shows real-time driving visualization across the full-width display, giving drivers a clearer understanding of what the car sees. The display is crisp, fluid, and responsive, making this the most intelligent and immersive Tesla interior so far. This is the clearest signal yet that Tesla is preparing the Model 3 for a major leap in autonomous driving capabilities. So that's the 2026 Tesla Model 3, a sharp redesign, a futuristic cabin, and a massive step forward for Tesla's most popular sedan. From the aggressive new front end, to the sleek fastback profile, to the high-tech interior that feels years ahead of the competition, Tesla is clearly preparing this Model 3 to dominate the EV market again. If you want to see more futuristic 2026 model reviews like this, make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.